Orcas, better known as killer whales, they appear to be attacking and even sinking some boats off the coasts of Portugal and Spain.
Bro, that is terrifying. The ocean is scary. Look at this shit.
This morning, why? NBC's chief international correspondent Keir Simmons joins us with this story. Keir, what's happening?
Hey Craig, good morning to you. This is one of these funny, not funny stories. Not funny if you're in one of these boats. The pictures that you're about to see are incredible. A group of whales, of killer whales, is called a pod. But maybe they should be renamed a gang or a troop or an army, because the scientists are trying to figure out exactly what's happening in the water.
A British couple setting sail off the coast of Morocco when a group of killer whales started battering their boat. The orcas continuing the barrage for at least an hour.
Holy shit. That is terrifying, bro. You're in the middle of the fucking ocean and the most smartest creature in the ocean is after your ass. That is terrifying.
They managed to keep the 46-foot sailing yacht afloat, but just days later, another vessel was not so lucky. 3 killer whales struck the rudder and side of the sailboat, eventually causing it to sink as the Spanish Coast Guard rushed to the rescue. It's one of at least 3 boats that have sunk because of the orcas since last summer. And
holy shit, bro. Like, I know a little bit about orcas because I watched stuff about them. They're like one of them, I think probably the most intelligent animals in the ocean. I think next to dolphins or something. But they are capable of learning new behaviors. And I heard like each pod has like kind of like their own culture and shit. So this is probably something new that they're learning. They can pick up new behaviors just like us.
Many more have been seriously damaged in the last 3 years. According to researchers, there were about 15 orca interactions when this began in 2020. Incredibly, that number has now ballooned into the hundreds by 2023.
God damn.
And all of them happening here along the Iberian Peninsula.
It doesn't fit with anything we've ever seen anywhere else in the world.
Scientists are stumped.
So, 3 theories. One is the whales are super stressed. They're acting out because the oceans are too noisy.
Theory 2, the Jaws theory. Some experts believe the sea creatures may be out for revenge, organising the attacks after a whale in the pod, possibly a female called White Gladys, was hit by a boat. Experts say orcas are very social and do often learn behaviour from one another.
Yeah. Bro, orcas are fucking cute and terrifying at the same time.
But Andrew Trites with the University of British Columbia believes a less aggressive option is most likely. Playtime.
Killer whales will rush up behind a boat and sometimes put their snout straight into the propeller wash and feel it's almost like a jacuzzi.
No injuries have been reported, and killer whales have not been known to harm humans. But if the whales think they're having fun, for terrified sailors, the joke's gone too far.
Indeed.
They gotta stop this. I don't know, man. I hope it doesn't end up them getting put down. But like, if they don't stop this, the orcas might teach that to other orcas, and that shit might become like that whole ocean. Every orca starts attacking fucking boats.
I mean, fortunately, I guess for us, it sort of seems like it's isolated there right now. Or is it, Keir? Are researchers concerned that there may be more orca pods like these out there?
Thankfully not, Craig. There's 39 whales in this pod, and so far it doesn't appear as if this kind of whale trend, if you like, to target boats is spreading. But again, they don't know exactly what is happening. The research is underway. So until then, say it with me, guys, everyone's going to need a bigger boat.
I wonder, could it be possible that people were feeding it off the boat or something, and now like they expect every boat to start feeding them or something, and that's why they're hitting it or something like that?
We were waiting for that, Keir.
If Roker were here, he'd be so proud, Keir.
Yes, he would.